Hi, hello, good morning. Welcome to today's session. Let's continue our discussion for exercise activity questions. So, in the previous session, we discussed question number 1A, 1B, 1C. So, let's continue the remaining other questions. Question number 1D. Explain why Gandhiji decided to withdraw the non cooperation movement. Explain why Gandhiji decided to withdraw the non cooperation movement. In the month of February 1922, at Chauri Chaura in Gorakhpur district, Uttar Pradesh, a group of peaceful Indian demonstrators turned into violent. They burnt alive 22 policemen. When Mahatma Gandhi came to know about this event, he decided to withdraw the non cooperation movement. He felt that the movement was turning violent in many places and satyagrahis needed to be properly trained before they would be ready for mass struggles or mass fight. Question number 2. What is meant by the idea of satyagraha, or what is satyagraha? Satyagraha was a noble method of mass agitation. The idea of satyagraha emphasized the power of truth and the need to search for truth. The philosophy of satyagraha suggested that if the cause was true, one was bound to succeed without using any violence. Without being aggressive, a satyagrahi could appeal to the morality of the unjust oppressors. Question number 3A. Write a newspaper report on Jallianwala Bagh massacre. It is asked to check your understanding. It can be asked directly. Explain about Jallianwala Bagh massacre. So you are reporter. Now you are reporting an incident. On 13th April 1919, a large crowd of people had gathered in the enclosed ground of Jallianwala Bagh. Some came to protest against the government's Rowlatt Act. Others had come to attend the annual Baisakhi fair. Being from outside the city, many villagers were unaware of the martial law that had been imposed. Suddenly, a British military officer, General Dyer, came, blocked all the exit points from the Bagh, and opened fire upon the innocent citizen. Hundreds of innocent people, including women and children, were killed and wounded due to firing of the British soldiers. So, with this, I would like to stop today's session, and remaining questions will be discussed in tomorrow's session. So, keep studying, keep updating your learning, and take care of your health. Thank you, one and all.